Want this text? Step 1. Go to the Text tab and add a text layer. Type the first lyrics. Example, guess who's back. Continue the next part, just like this. Once you've finished typing, make it bold and change to capital letters. Copy the text. Select the words "who's back" and set the color to black. In the second text, select only the word "back" and change its color to black. Repeat this process until the lyrics are finished. Click the eye icon to hide the video layer tab. Select all text layers, go to the Animation tab, and apply Fade In and Fade Out. Go to Effects and add the Edge Glow effect.